fishing down at the river here. Got this little jig with a spoon on it.
Yeah, and I got this little spinner on my spinning reel. And Cole's got his bait caster on his
4.5 foot rod here.
Oh yeah.
Little Zebco rod.
As Cole just got on a smallmouth. Hold it up here. I'm coming over. Over there, got a little sunfish. Cole just caught this nice half-pound bass here at the riffle.
4.5 foot Zebco.
Man, he's a chunker.
Yeah.
Holy crap. All right, the release of this nice half-pounder.
Thank you, buddy. There you go.
And he's back.